it comes in waves. It always comes in waves. Ideas, thoughts. When you're working on a project and then this idea passes you and says, hey, come on, why don't you do this also in the meantime? And I say it comes in waves because I've been battling with that, with those ideas that keep on coming and distracting you in the process. Well, that's part of life. You always get ideas here and there. But today, I was in between projects, so I had the time to, check out the cameras, decide what I want to do. And it's a sad moment for me in some way because I'm retiring my 7D Canon. I've used it for quite a while. So today I decided, you know what, it's time for it to have a rest. And then I'll be able to get another Canon that I can be able to use the lenses for, because I have the lenses, so I can be able to see what's on the market and get something good that I can be able to use the lenses. Or maybe I go cinematic. But anyway, besides that, I had some issues with the BlackMagic camera. I took it out. I started playing around with it, checking, shooting a few clips. And then I noticed that there were tiny little grains on the IR glass. So, I looked around and read a bit about it in the BlackMagic forum. And I found out that it's a common thing, especially in places where it's humid. So they tend to build up. And at the beginning I was worried because it's a 4K, it's not the 6K. I don't have the 6K money. But for a camera like this, you spend a lot of money. The lenses are expensive. Let's say you have an anamorphic lens like this, so you put in a lot of money and investment into it. For it to have an issue like that, then you're like, damn. But I came to find out that you can be able to change the IR glass. So there was one website, one company that sells them online, and you can be able to buy them for about $420 for the glass. But I also checked that you can go to AliExpress and then you can be able to get where was it? I have it somewhere here. You can be able to get a glass like that, so, and then you can replace it, but you have to order one that has a rubber ring or the plastic ring, then you can be able to change it. So that was what I was busy doing. It comes in waves. It comes in waves. Today was a rainy day. We even had the weather guys sending us notifications like it's going to storm. We had crazy lightning. But it just stops. It just goes crazy and then stops. That's it. Done for the day. So we had about 2 hours of rain, and then eventually so I was checking around the lenses, cleaning them up, and I also thought to myself, can I be able to vlog with this particular camera? I'll just show you just a setup right now, and then you can be able to see. So up there I can be able to see myself, and then we have the camera itself, and then the camera has a very, very tiny lens. And with the BlackMagic, all the lenses are usually, most of the lenses are manual, and then I have the Elgato ring light, and then I also have another one, Amaran light that's very soft. It's very good, and you can also reduce and increase the temperature. You know, you can increase it or you take it down a bit, or you can do, let's see, the type of light that you want. Besides that, that's all I'm using. So I'm trying to find a sweet spot between that. So I thought to myself, can I be able to vlog using, you know, I had it around there, using that. So with the tripod, it's quite a big rig to have it. That's how it looks from the side. To have it to vlog in just the studio, but also for the cinematic shots, or when I'm doing projects, it's usually nice once in a while to pull it out and do some cinematic work, brush up on my skills, and just try and experiment with it. So today I was experimenting with it, seeing what's happening with the camera itself. So when I reduce the shutter speed, or when I reduce then I can be able to see the little spots. But besides that, right now you wouldn't even notice it exists. Yep, that was basically it. But BlackMagic better come up with a better solution. Maybe when you sell it to people, then you give them an extra piece. So it comes in waves. It was a rainy day, very rainy day, very, 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 very rainy day.